Hey guys, I'm Julie and welcome to my channel. We are doing a back to school organization series and today we are talking about paper. When the kids come home from school, they have all kinds of papers in their backpack. A lot of them are things that they need but they don't need right away. It's stuff maybe they need next month or whatever it might be. It could be sports papers, but I come up with a solution, and it's a family command center. I had one at my other house with a wall that was about this wide, and this time I'm using a little bit larger space. The most important thing when you're picking a command center spot is thinking about where is your family going to notice things that need to be done. I do have a spot near my door where my kids hang their coats and stuff, but that is not the location where I would be able to see things on the calendar or important things that are coming up. So that is not a good spot for a command center for me. It might be for you. So finding the right spot is really, really important. The second thing is the hub of the spot, I guess you could say, is the calendar. I have used this calendar because this is what I had already had, but you can get like a whiteboard calendar. They have one, if you saw my haul, they have one at Walmart for under $6, and it's about that size. So you could use something like that. The next important thing is the filing system that you want to use. If you recall, I got these cute file folders from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to label one for each member of my family, and then one will probably be Bill's, so that all of the paper that's coming in my house has a home. And then once I'm done with the papers, I can put it into a separate spot that I have for filing. Or what I used to do in my other house is I put all of the kids' stuff in the top, and then this is where I put stuff when it needed to be filed. So after a bill was paid, or if I no longer needed it, it just went right in the trash. Another thing is some kind of memo board or a chore chart. You might not need that, you might not want that, it's just an option. This is great for grocery lists, or don't forget for maybe your husband has to grab something before he leaves for work, or your kids need to make sure that they don't forget their soccer cleats that day for school. It's a quick place to just jot a memo of some sort. And then this is actually not my kids' chore chart. This is our summer schedule that the kids have been following, and it was on my fridge before I made this command center wall. But this will be where their school year schedule and chore chart will go in there. And then I also put 2 hooks here. Depending on where this is in your home, you could use it for backpacks, you could use it for jackets, you could use it for umbrellas, whatever it is. But I'm using mine for keys because, like I said, I already have a spot near the front door for jackets and backpacks. But we don't have a place for keys. They just kind of get thrown on the counter in the kitchen. This way they have a spot where we can hang them. Another idea you could do, you don't have to, but is some kind of picture. I have right over here on my left is where I have family pictures. So I didn't feel the need to put a family picture here, but you could put a family photo or something decorative. I put this up here. I've had this for a while and didn't know where I was going to put it, and I found the perfect spot for it, so I love it there. So and these are frames that I already had. This was the corkboard I got from Walmart when I did the haul. I showed you that it came with a pack of 4, and I just cut it down to fit into my frame, and I took the glass out so that I can use it as corkboard. So I had everything already. The only thing I bought was the file folders. So this is one way to keep control of the paper clutter that comes in your home, especially at back to school season. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe because we have many more videos coming.